Hi, our names are Janice and Jeff, and our renovation with Sosna started because my husband Jeff got tired of fixing our kitchen ceiling. We had a leak in our kitchen ceiling due to shoddy workmanship in a bathroom right above it. So we decided that we'd renovate the bathroom, and while we were at it, we'd renovate the other bathroom as well. Right from the beginning, when we first met Andre, we were impressed. He was very upfront and honest.
Just in general, I think my wife was very happy with Camila because it gave her all the right choices and all the right advice, and that was a very, very positive aspect of the whole project. Knowing that you had someone there who was going to give you different options, different advice, and I think it helped her to make the decisions.
Right from the beginning, the guys, they put up barriers to prevent the mess from going into the rest of the house. They cleaned up after themselves every day.
Well, our project manager was fantastic. I mean, we ran into some problems from previous work we had done, and he handled it in a very professional way, made it easy for us to make decisions, kept us completely posted on what was going on and what we were looking at. I think the one of the highlights was also just watching the guys work. They were just very, very good at what they do.
And then we met Camilla, the designer. She brought good ideas. She listened to our tastes. And then Garth, the project manager, he was professional. He was upfront. He always let us know what was going on. When he encountered problems, he let us know right away. And all the other guys who worked in the house from time to time, we were comfortable having them in our house. They were nice guys. They were all professional as well.
Very pleased with the professionalism of everyone. Very nice people, exceptionally good at their jobs.
Basically, in the end, there was nothing that I could criticize. And I love my new bathrooms, and the only company I would call if I was doing another big renovation is Sosna.
They made it much easier than it might have been. They made it very comfortable to be around them while they were working. They were all very professional, very nice people. Thank you, Sosna, very much.